Hello, welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to add gift card on Walmart app. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to add gift card on Walmart app. We'll start opening up our Walmart app. Once you open up our Walmart app, you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. Look on the upper left hand corner, we're going to see the 3 white line. Tap on that. Then you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. Scroll a little bit down until you see where it says account. Tap on account right there. Then you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. As you arrive on this main screen right here, look on where it says payment method. Make sure you tap on where it says payment. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Look on where it says gift card, and look on the right where there's addition sign right there. Make sure to tap on the addition sign right there. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Then you can add your information. And that's how you add a gift card on Walmart app. If you have like any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find them in my video description. And thank you for watching.